Viewers, there are no two thoughts about the fact that the judiciary in the country is going through a turbulent time. In a major controversy that's only snowballing, the Allahabad High Court Bar Association has escalated its protest against Delhi High Court Judge Justice Yashwant Verma after large sums of unaccounted cash were allegedly The Congress has also stepped in and has said that the reservation should be implemented to reduce corruption and inefficiency in the judicial systems. This will reduce the number of judges from one family and one caste. A corrupt judge will be afraid that there will be fewer people from his caste and kin to protect him. That's what the Congress has now said. He will give judgment after careful consideration. The Congress also said that the judges from Dalit, OBC, minorities and tribal communities will not show bias in hearing cases because there will be pressure from the upper caste judge. There will be no one to protect them if they commit a mistake, and all the judges in the current collegium are upper caste. That is a claim that the Congress has made. In fact, the Congress furthered its statement saying that political people will get justice and that the situation of Lalu getting jail and Mishra getting bail will reduce. At present, checks and balances have deteriorated and will be automatically established with a reservation. After the Karnataka Rao reservation of 4% for minorities, the Congress has now jumped on the bandwagon of reservations and has said that there should be reservations in the judicial systems as well. Also being joined by my colleague Riyanka live on the broadcast to get us more details into the scathing remarks made by the Congress. Riyanka, talk to us about the entire case. The Congress has made some really shocking remarks and has asked for reservations in the judicial systems. Riyanka.
Well, this is the Congress's statement coming in after there have been questions raised on corruption in the judiciary after the Yashwant Verma cash scandal has come to light. Now, the Congress says that there should be reservation in the judiciary in order to curtail corruption and inefficiency. The Congress says a corrupt judge will be afraid that there will be fewer people from his caste and kin to protect him. So, the Congress has come out and made these statements regarding a reservation that they are pushing forward for being a part of the judiciary. The Congress says Dalit, OBC minorities and tribal communities will now not be shown biased in hearing cases because there will be pressure from the upper caste judge. There will be no one to protect them if they commit a mistake. All the judges in the current collegium are upper caste. So the Congress is hitting out at the decision made by the Supreme Court collegium by saying that the judges who are a part of the collegium all belong to the upper caste, and at this point in time there will be no bias in that regard. On the other hand, the Congress also says the political people will get justice and situation of Lalu getting jail and Mishra getting bail will reduce. So yes, the Congress has made one pinch of political, statement that they have come in a way the saying that yes, there has to be reservation that will be given out in the judiciary in order to somewhere curtail inefficiency and corruption, which has come to light after the Justice Yashwant Verma cash scandal has been highlighted and put on focus.
Right, Riyanka. In fact, also talk to us about how the Congress has said that if reservations will be brought in, judges of similar families or kin will not be a part of the judicial system and how that might make things easy. And do you think that, also speak to us about whether or not this is something that seems doable in the judicial system?
Absolutely, the Congress also saying that if reservations is being brought in the judiciary, then the judges or the lawyers of the same family will not be able to somewhere be having a domino effect on each other. On the other hand, what we also understand here that the Congress has been saying that the Supreme Court collegium consists of the judges who belong to the upper caste, which is something they are hitting out, and they are saying that there has to be a reservation reservation given. There has to be judges who belong from the minority, who belong from the backward classes, the OBC, Dalits, so that there will be no bias in the judicial system and corruption will also be lowered. So probably this looks like a Congress's suggestion that they are saying that the reservation should be brought in the judicial system in order to curtail the corruption that has come to light, as well as inefficiency of the judicial system that the Congress is highlighting at the moment.
Right, Priyanka. In fact, this is not the first time that the Congress has done it. It comes right at the heels of their demand for a 4% reservation for minorities, even in Karnataka, for which they're already facing heat. Demands of the Congress are in terms of asking for reservations in the justice system.
Well, the Congress clearly mentions that there has to be a reservation in the judicial system, and the judges must not just belong from the upper class, but also they have to be coming in from the OBCs, the backward communities, and the minority classes, so that there is no biasness maintained. And they have also said that with the fact that there have been so many cases that have been dealt by several judges, and this corruption case coming in light after Justice Yashwant Verma's residence, there was a discovery of a huge amount of cash. The Congress's suggestions and demands coming in at the point in time that they are talking about reservation in the judicial system as well.